In this video, you will learn how to compute income tax expense benefit using the current and deferred income tax expenses. As we saw in the first video, income tax expense benefit is reported as the sum of current and deferred income tax expense in the tax footnotes. In this video, you'll learn how to apply this accounting knowledge to compute income tax expense benefit when a firm reports both current and deferred tax expense. Drag a filter tool until it connects with the false output anchor from the filter tool for Step 2, Part 2. You'll probably want to navigate this filter tool quite a bit lower and also shift the canvas over. Note, using the false output anchor ensures that we are only going to compute income tax expense benefits for firms who did not use the standard tag. We're going to start with the basic filter. Click the drop-down arrow and select Current Income Tax Expense Benefit from the list. Select the option for Is Not Null. Notice your custom filter is actually populating when you're using a basic filter. Let's click the radio button for Custom Filter because we want this filter to be a joint condition. Hit Enter, type End, and then hit Enter one more time. We can copy and paste the first condition using our keyboard shortcuts for Control-C and Control-V. We want to change the current income tax expense benefit to the deferred income tax expense benefit. In plain language, this filter will select all observations which did not use income tax expense benefit, but did use the tags for current income tax expense benefit and deferred income tax expense benefit. We can annotate the tool with Step 2, Part 3A. And then we can save and run our workflow. Clicking on the true condition, we should see some firms which report both current and deferred income tax expense. At this point, we can use a formula tool to compute income tax expense benefit. Click the drop-down arrow and select Income Tax Expense Benefit from our list of columns. We will be overwriting the data in this column, but recall our first condition for this step was that the Income Tax Expense Benefit column be null. In the formula box, open a bracket and enter Current Income Tax Expense Benefit. Put a plus sign, open another bracket, and then type in Deferred Income Tax Expense Benefit. We see the data preview populate with the value that would be appropriate for the first row of data. The data type should already be double, but if not, make sure you change the data type. We can annotate this tool with Step 2, Part 3B. We can then save and run our workflow. Just to review, the configurations beginning with Step 2, Part 2, all the way through Step 2, Part 3B, identify firms which do not report income tax expense benefit using the standard XBRL tag, but do report both current and deferred income tax expense benefit using the standard tags. We then compute income tax expense benefit using the current and deferred income tax expense benefits reported by the firm. Good job. You are now well on your way to combining your accounting knowledge with data analytics to ensure proper data transformation. In the next video, you'll gain additional practice at applying your accounting knowledge to identify more firms for which income tax expense benefit can be computed.